Good morning, friends, and once again, welcome from sharetrading.school.com. Today, 18th October 2016. As per weekly chart, if you remember in yesterday's analysis, we have said that 20 EMA in weekly chart will give a support which is placed around 8,517 to 8,520. Yesterday, we have said that, and if you want, you can cross check with our yesterday's video. We have justified this level 8,517 on 2-3 parameter. One is previous accumulation level, which is previous support or previous resistance level as per weekly chart, 20 EMA in weekly chart. And then we have converted this chart into daily formation, and in daily form we have said that even daily formation has a support around 8,500 level, that is our 100 EMA. So past accumulation and weekly and daily moving averages support, we said that Nifty and then RSI was placed somewhere around 40. So we had said that there is a scope of Nifty to coming to 8,500 to 8,520 level, and then it will test a support and then bounce back. So we have even asked you to go short if in case Nifty crosses 8,540 level for a target of 8,517 to 8,500 and some 8,500 rather. So we have already achieved that level. Now what next, and whether this will continue further down or will that support work, because RSI is not yet crossed, not at touch 30, so it has not become oversold. So in this scenario, probably the market may penetrate, as per a daily chart, market may penetrate to 100 EMA. But while coming to closing, it may pull back, or sometime it may even penetrate and close below 100 EMA. But once it may happen, but it may not continue for the next 2-3 days. So once breaching 100 EMA is probably possible, because most of the time support breaches once, but next time to reconfirm it comes again and test a support. So one day crossing support level is possible, but weekly chart is telling, giving us is that we are at support level, and as for weekly chart, we have already tested a support and RSI is above 50. So 50 is a level wherein support is tested. So our 8,500 testing a support has a high probability, and it will be very difficult for Nifty to cross 8,500 level. So for us, 8,500 level for Nifty is a very strong support level, decisive area. Whether it will take a pullback from this level, for that we will just quickly see our intraday chart. Intraday chart, if you see an hourly chart in Nifty, you can see that RSI is showing us a rising bottom formation. It is already oversold. If you compare this RSI with price, then this bottom of RSI, which is almost lower than the current bottom which has formed, with RSI is forming W formation. RSI forming W and showing a divergence, because if you see, price has created a lower low. Corresponding low, you will have to compare corresponding low. This low is higher than the previous low, but if you compare in a price, current low, which is lower than the previous low. So this is a classic case of divergence. When divergence forms, that means probably price is actually will try and follow RSI, and chances are there that we will see a W formation somewhere here. Now in that case, we will see a next pullback. So this shows us an impending pullback, and this will take Nifty to 8,577 level. So this level of 8,577 level will act as a next support level. So 8,577 level is a past accumulation, support and resistance, then this 20 EMA, and if in case it continues to pull further, or recovery continues, then we will see the next resistance somewhere here, that is 8,650 level. So at present, if you look at 50 EMA, is further down 8634, but chances are there that actually after this pullback, after price pullbacks, this moving average will also pull back, and that time it may come to 8670 level. So if in case Nifty crosses 8577 level, then we will see a resistance further 8677. So there will be a 100 point added advantage for Nifty if Nifty successfully crosses 8577 north. So this pullback at this moment is expected. What we can do is, if in case Nifty opens with gap, we can go long. We can go long, and we will keep a stop loss below this level. If you look at this level, which is actually at this moment, if I'll have to give you an exact level, 8500 level. So what we should do is, we should go long with stop loss below 8490. Below 8490 we can go long, and our first target will be 8577 level. Rather, by the time price starts pullback, this moving average will come to further 8550. So 8577 level, we should think of booking our first profit. And if in case Nifty successfully crosses this level, then 8670 will be our next target of Nifty. This is a pullback strategy. Remember, RSI is in showing us a diversion, but the trend is down in hourly chart. Then chances are there that if this trend line in RSI may resist immediately, it may not be possible. So while going long, do remember it's a risk. We are risking. We are taking a high risk because it's trading against the trend, because trend is in intraday down. So we are trading. We are going along in the recovery, and when you take a chance in recovery, then probability of success becomes almost only 60%, and 40% chances are there that this strategy may fail. So while taking a risk, do remember that keep your stop loss below this, and if in case it breaches, don't hesitate to cut your losses short. So this is a strategy for today. Wishing you best of luck and happy trading.